Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change time format in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Suppose if your phone has 12-hour format, if you would like to use 24-hour format, yes, you can change it. Or if you would like to change from 24-hour format to 12-hour format, yes, you can do it. What to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to system, then go to date and time, and here just turn on use 24-hour format. As of now, format is in 12-hour. Okay, see here, see in the lock screen, 12-hour format is followed. Okay, 8:04 a.m. is showing. Okay, so if you would like to change it to 24-hour format, just click on this button, use 24-hour format, so that 24-hour format will be showing. Just 8:04 will be showing. Okay, if it crosses 12 p.m. It will count to 13 instead of 1 p.m. Okay, suppose if you would like to change from 24-hour format to 12-hour format, just turn off this button, use 24-hour format, so that only 12-hour format 12-hour format will be followed. Okay, so in this way you can easily change time format for your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.